See if it will glow in the dark.
That light.
Oh, it glows! Oh my gosh! Oh, that whole thing glows as well!
Hi guys, today we're doing another video and it's important and it begins with an S. So drum roll please.
Slime! It's DmHirmg Make Your Own Slime Creation. So let's get opening.
Yeah, I want to make glow in the dark.
Whoa! Look at all this stuff. A spoon, a mixing bowl, this, containers to store your slime. That's actually good. It comes with containers. Instructions.
Drum roll please.
We got 3 slime glues, 1 slime glue. This is baking soda, another baking soda.
Glitter, glitter, glitter.
Wait, is that baking soda? Yes, it is. Exact same glitter. Give me the glitter and I'll show it because I have longer arms. Gold glitter.
Glue, glue, glue.
I always see this and I'm like, what is this? It's activator. The little liquid is activator.
More glue.
What's this? I don't know what it is. Oh, I think it's food dye. Purple food dye. And it's purple. Pink food dye. Blue food dye.
Orange food dye.
Yes. Good.
Lolly stick. Lolly stick, lolly stick, lolly stick.
There are
4 lolly sticks.
4 lolly sticks. Crunchy balls.
And sand.
What is this? Glow powder for glow in the dark slime. So let's get the instructions and make this slime. Number 1. Pour entire bottle of 50 milliliters glue in a clear mixing bowl. Add 2 to 8 drops of coloured ink or desired amount of glitter or glow in the dark powder in half a spoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. Let's put glow in the dark powder because we're going to make glow in the dark slime. I'm going to add the whole of it. Oh, let's add some baking soda powder in. Baking soda powder.
Otherwise it won't turn right.
And mix, mix, mix. I want to make it colourful, so let's add some blue. Let's add 2 to 8 drops. 1, 2, gonna add 3. And look at that. That's truly amazing.
And purple.
Should we add some glitter in as well?
Yeah.
What kind? The rainbow or the gold?
Rainbow. Not too much.
There. Let's mix it in first. Look at that. That looks beautiful. So it's not as blue as I thought it would be.
You're adding 6 drops.
So that should be a better blue now. Oh, loving that. Look at that. It's mixing in so well. Now that's a blue. I'm going to add a bit more glitter because it's not showing. There.
Mix, mix, mix.
Add entire bottle of 50 milliliters slime activator. It makes it fizzy. That's funny. Ooh. It's turning into slime. Okay, so I figured out if we just leave it to set, it will form into slime. It's set on the table because some of it went out of the bowl, and it's actually slime. So stay in your seats, ladies and gentlemen. The great slime. See if it will glow in the dark.
That light.
Oh, it glows! Oh my gosh! Oh, that whole thing glows as well! Oh my gosh! Oh, it's turned into slime, ladies and gentlemen. It said when it's turned into slime, you got to knead it with your fingers, I think. Look at this. It's a clump. It's a clump of slime! Whoa! I think that's pretty ready to me. I don't know, I'm not a professional. Never made slime. Never made slime. Out of time. I can't rhyme. Yes, I did rhyme. Let's pour it all out. That looks pretty slime-like to me. And I heard that good slime cleans up bad slime. Whoa!
everything glow in the dark.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
0.
Oh, you can't really see it. There it goes.
Turn off the camera.
Glowing. Glowing. Oh. Howdy. 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 This is... Howdy.
This is so cool.
None of it's getting on my hands. And after hours of mixing, we finally got a great consistency. But anyway, guys, that is slime.
Yeah.
We can play with it. You can stretch it. Stretch beyond your eyes. It can stretch beyond my eyes as well. Well, this, like Dino Lab, it said it will ooze through your fingers. This turns blob if you hit it hard, and then it will ooze through your fingers. And then if you hit it hard, it stays. Okay, let's put it in the container.
That's a load of slime.
Let's put the lid on.
Surely won't.
Oh, I don't think that will fit. We're going to have to put some in another container, I think.
Maybe I think we have to squish it down.
Oh, 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 look at this, look at this. Ah! Oh my gosh. That's so,
It's squishing down.
that's so oddly satisfying. There we go, that's enough. There we go. That's some slime to store. You can see we made blue slime with glitter, and I'm happy about that. Let's see if it glows in the dark in this tin. 3, 2, 1.
0.
It glows inside the container as well. You can see us. You can see the glow in the dark slime. It's glowing in the dark, and it's obviously, wow, satisfying.
Whoa, that's so cool.
So as you can see, we made slime. But I want to test out this slime. 2 blue slimes is boring. Let's see if we can add some purple into the mix. To squeeze or not to squeeze? That's the question.
And then we have to mix it again.
That one's leaking.
Purple.
Purple slime.
Pebble, I mean.
Whoa.
There's a colour called pebble, isn't there?
That's so cool.
Yeah, but I want that one to be rainbow.
Well, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you did not like it, do not hit the like button. But you will mostly like it, okay? That's my rule. Subscribe. Hit the notification bells once you've subscribed. Bye.
Hiya. Bye bye.
Bye. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.